To change display orientation in Windows 10, click on the Windows logo in your taskbar. Click on Settings. Click on the first icon on the left, System. On the left panel, make sure to click on Display. Scroll down. Under Scale and Layout, the third option is Display Orientation. Click on it. Choose the one which suits you. You have Portrait, which will look like this. And you can always click Revert to go back to the initial stage. You have also Landscape Flipped, which means it will put upside down your screen. And you have also Portrait Flipped, which will show like this. If you want to keep the changes, just click Keep the Changes, or just click Revert to go back.